Hi, the first piece of technology I've decided to share with you is called Class DoJo. I selected Class DoJo because it is a great resource for teachers that allow you to manage your students' behavior, communicate with parents, and post class information. The purpose of Class DoJo is to teach other teachers how to use it so that they can find a great way to communicate with their parents like I have. I would say that this type of technology would be for my coworkers. And two of the standards, I have chosen the ISTE standards to go with it, is 2C, which is modeling for colleagues how to identify and use new digital tools for learning, and also 5C, which is exploring and applying instructional design to engage students. This is done through students following class rules and procedures and being able to respond and give themselves points. So now I'm going to show you how to use Class DoJo. So the first step you would do is you're just going to go to classdojo.com. I've already done that. Once you're there, you're going to sign up for a free account, which I've done too. And all you're going to have to do is you're going to have to enter your name, your school's name, and then you're going to start inputting your students. So I've just inputted a couple students for a free demo class. And to add a student, you click Add Student. And once it comes up, you'll type in their name, so we can just say like Bill Smith, and you would hit add. And you're going to keep typing until you've added all your students. Once you're all done, you're going to go down and hit save, and all your students will pop up there. And each student will be given a little Class DoJo emoji, which they can change on their own at home on one of their devices, such as their computer, tablet, mom and dad's cell phone. And then after you've created a Class DoJo for each one of your students, you're going to go up here and click Invite Parents. Once you clicked Invite Parents, you will download the parent invites, and it'll prepare them, and it will download them to your computer for you. And once they have downloaded, you will go ahead and you will print those out, and then you can send them home to all of your parents. So after parents start connecting to your classroom, they'll be able to see all the various things you post. So first I will show you how I use it for behavior. So for behavior, I have the students, they use my smart board. They also use a tablet, or I can do it on my phone or my own computer. I click on their name, and if they are on task doing what you want, you can have them go up and click the on task, and it'll give them a point. Let's say later on in the day they're not following your directions and you've given them warnings. You can also hit the needs work, and you can click on the various things that they might need to work on, such as they're shouting out while others are talking. And if you don't see something there that you want, you can hit edit skills. And then you can do it for both positive and negative. So you would click on add a skill, and once you click on it, you can name that skill. So I could have one that's like a wow, and you can change how many points. Maybe it's worth 2. You can change the icon. This is really helpful for my kindergartners since they can't read yet. They know it based on the icons. And then you can hit save. So you can label them various amounts of points, and you can do the same with needs work and approval. So once you've given the students a point, or they've given themselves a point, the little green box tells you how many points they get. So let's say as the day goes on, she's being helpful to others. So now she'll have 2 points. So that's the behavior part, and parents will get a message every time their child is getting those behavior points. Another way I use it is to communicate with my parents through the messages. So if you click on the messages, you'll have parents over here, and you can click on it. And after you've invited their parents, it will allow you to type. And you can type the various message. Maybe Bill forgot his lunch money, so you want to reach out to his parents to let him know. Or maybe he's not been acting right in class, so you want to know what's going on. You can message them. Parents can also message you. And a lot of parents in my class love it because to them it's kind of like a text message system. So it's a little less informal than having to send an email. And it's so convenient because a lot of them use their phone. You can also go to, if you click on one of your students, you can also hit View Portfolio up here at the top. And then if you hit Add Post, you're able to type a message right here to parents, or you can click on the Add Photo, which I do in my class when we do various activities in our classrooms that I want parents to be able to see, and I can send a quick photo home to them so they know what's going on. Anyway, that's basically how to use Class DoJo, and I hope you all find it helpful. Thanks.